A nor'easter slammed the tri-state area with blizzard warnings. The storm dumped heavy, blowing snow and strong winds across New York City, Long Island, the Lower Hudson Valley, Connecticut and New Jersey. Officials imposed travel bans in multiple counties. NYC's citywide ban ran through noon Monday, with bans extended in Westchester, Nassau, and Suffolk. New Jersey and Connecticut issued similar limits. Transit systems faced widespread disruption. NYC subways on a reduced schedule, LIRR suspended, and NJ Transit and several MTA services paused as crews battled snow and downed trees. Power outages affected thousands, especially in New Jersey and Long Island. Snow totals surpassed 2 feet in some areas. NYC averages 12 to 18 inches, with parts of Long Island reaching 26 inches or more, in southern New Jersey 18 to 24 inches. Warming centers opened in the Rockaways. Temporary snow shovelers were hired. NYC schools were closed for a snow day while transportation recovered tonight.